All right, good morning and welcome back to a live update. Today is 21st of August 2019, and we are just moving into uh, early European session, 2:20 a.m. Eastern Standard it is, and from today we will continuously be updating the trade setups for various instruments, and for now we'll start off with the dollar JPY chart setups and potential trade direction. Uh, Please watch out for the FOMC coming out later today, and also watch out for some firecrackers out there. All right, so let's do some trading analysis, and welcome back again to all of you who have been subscribed to this channel. Thank you for being subscribed here. Those who are looking or viewing this for the first time, welcome, um, warm welcome. And if you like this channel, it's a free channel, daily updates. This is your host Harsh. You might want to subscribe and also pass on the word to those who are willing to trade currencies, cryptos, CFDs, indices, metals, and yes, that's it for now. We'll be increasing our instruments to the Indian bourses, but due to the regulations fact, we are not touching those at this point in time. All right, so let's get started with the dollar JPY. We'll go with the daily chart and then drop down to a 4 hour and probably an hourly chart to find out a potential trade setup in the dollar JPY right now. All right, let's do some labeling here. After a multi-year consolidation in the dollar JPY, the huge triangle looks to have been completed, and I would like to touch base with the last leg of the triangle. uh, ABC, that was the termination point of the triangle. Wave E, which is the last leg of the triangle, which is going on multi-year background. If you would want to label the last leg here, then A, expanded flat B, then 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So those are the 5 waves, potential 5 waves. So 3, 3, 5 wave structure, wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5. That was 3rd of January 2019, termination point around 104.50, and then a huge pullback rally after that. So on the daily chart, when prices moved, okay, first of all, first things first, primarily prices should stay above 104.50 going forward. That's a huge support that we're looking for, and it should hold. All right, now that rally was in 5 ways. You can label that as well. Remember, we'll be focusing on the wave principle primarily, and the support, resistance, Fibonacci ratios, trend lines wherever important, channel lines. And we'll be updating potential trade setups numerous times during the trading hours. So that could be wave 1 of a major degree here. Remember, we are on a daily chart. The drop is of ABC. And the videos, I'll try to keep the videos 5 to maximum 10 minutes. Right, ABC could be potential wave 2 termination point already. So let's put a question mark here. Alright, before I forget, here is the new updated website which you might want to have a look at. HTTPS, it's a web page actually. Where you can see all the details of what we intend to do and the services that we have launched. It's all free on the YouTube. Every single day the sessions will be there. We'll do some wave counts. It's all freely accessible. Only the trade setups, if you want to spare the exact trade setups, then there's a 30-day trial for the Telegram. All the details can be found on the web page here. Alright, now we've got a 5, 3 and 5. It's a zigzag actually. That's what it looks like. You have, so let's label rather than using arrow marks. And see wave 1, short wave 1. Wave 2. One way to interpret is wave 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we have wave 5 waves here, and there could be another interpretation as well, which could be an ABC, X ABC, that would make a W, WXY. We'll go with the recent count of a potential zigzag ABC, which is forming your wave B of 1 higher degree. And then we've got a nice little drop here, ABC, look to be then, let's okay, that's plotting is already done. We don't want to go the internal matters. Okay, one more thing that can be highlighted over here is your channel, the Fibonacci, the wave channel, and let's draw a parallel to it. Alright, now the interesting fact is prices bounced right at the channel support. You can see here, okay, a huge little a huge engulfing bullish candlestick, or a huge morning star, I would say. So that is the big candle that should hold actually going forward. So let's put the Fibonacci ratios here. We'll be doing our best to update all possible trading instruments across the day. You can interact with me for any questions or any instrument that you would want to include. You can just write an email at harshjapee@yahoo.com, and I'd be very happy to include the instrument as well. So that's a 78% bounce. Wave 2 normally it can go quite deep actually. The only concern is that's a good sign. The more deeper it goes, the only point is it should not take out the initial point of wave 1 of the same degree. So it's looking like a beautiful impulse up and then a wonderful Gartley ABC. Uh, Prices are looking set for a potential rally. The only criteria prices should stay above 104.50. There is a bit of consolidation seen here. If you want to, let's see on the hourly chart, we can go back and view the recent area after the bounce. And there you go. So how do you do the wave counts here? Let's try and build it. Okay, let's start from here. This is your first wave. Let's put into parentheses because there has been an expanded flat ABC and maybe the third wave is just on the way. So we need to change degrees actually. That's your ABC expanded flat. Let's put into parentheses 2. We are not extremely conscious and concerned about the nomenclature. That's, excuse me for that. We are basically concerned about doing your counts properly. So if it is parenthesis 1 and then expanded flat 2, wave 3 has just begun and we've got the first leg within the third wave. So let's label this as 1. And then you have a neat little consolidation you see here. It takes time for the triangles to unfold and looks like a triangle right now. A, B, C, wave D terminated yesterday's highs, and wave E. Alright, we want to connect AC and BD. Let's see if this triangle setup is complete. If it is complete, you might be seeing a breakout today on the north side. So that's the trade setup for the dollar JPY. This is how it should look like. Alright. So watch out for some kind of bottom formation. Today we've got a news trigger coming in later in the New York session around 6 p.m. Eastern. The FOMC minutes should be out. So watch out for that trigger for price action to burst on the north side. Alright, so that's the first update from our side after a long time, and thank you again for joining me, and stay tuned for the YouTube channel and also view the recordings over there. If you are joining in for the first time or tuning in for the first time, make sure that you subscribe here. All the videos are going to be updated each trading day as it passes by. We have just started